This is Lisa with Inspire to Thrive, and today I wanted to show you how you can find out if your blog or website is coming up in the AI search overviews. It's really easy to do with the GA4 Google Analytics, and I'm going to show you how to set it up in less than 5 minutes.
And the first thing you need to do is change that channel group to put source in medium. The second thing I recommend is doing 100 because you want to find where these AI overviews are coming from. And if you click off the plot, you can start your own plot by just looking for, here's the Chat GPT referral and the non-set. And then I'm going to go down a ways and look for the perplexity. Let's see if I can find the perplexity not set. I'm not finding that one. Last time, oh, here it is, 51. Okay. That's search. I'm just seeing if any others may be showing up here. It doesn't look like it. Those are the only ones I've seen. I may also go to 250. I want to check. Well, I've got to go back and do these. If you change it, that's what happens. You have to go back. So just be aware if you change that number of rows, because I wanted to look for one other if it's there. So we got ChatGPT, ChatBBT, Perplexity AI, and then 51 was the non-set. And just double checking if there's anything else that might be in there. I don't see another one yet. Yeah, I'm not seeing any others. So we're going to plot the rows. And as you see, this is last 12 months I had set that up so that you could see each month and how they've come up. As you can see, Chat GBT had not been coming up for me since till May. The others were coming up, a year ago. And you can see the success there. The only thing it does not show is the keywords or articles or pages of your website. That's something I'm going to be looking into, and stay tuned for another edition. I hope this has been helpful for your website or blog so you can tell if you are coming up in the AI search overviews.